I'm looking at the Morphy Richards Soupmaker. I'm going to be opening that up, have a look through, get the manual out, have a read through that, and clean it all out, and then next stage I'm going to be trying to make some soup. Let's have a look what we got. There's the instructions. I shall say, have a good read through them. Power lead. Just take this off and have a look. There we are. I shall have a good read through the manual, clean it all out, and then I'm going to try and make some soup. Right, I've now had a read through the manual and I think I'm ready to make some soup. I've got some spinach, tomatoes, onions, potatoes, bit of rice, some carrots and some garlic in here. And here I've got some pepper, paprika and salt and some parsley. So let's get started. Oh, I've also got some vegetable stock. So, I've cleaned it all out. I'm going to try this on smooth, so it comes out. There we go. It's all in there. There we go. Some vegetable stock. A bit more fluid to bring it up to between minimum and maximum. Lid on. Let's make sure it's on. Plug it in first. There we go. Mode, smooth. I think that'll do. And start. And away we go. We'll come back and have a look at it once it's done. It's on 21 minutes. The cable on this is a little bit short, but then I'm pulling it over to the cooker so I can video it. You can hear it starting up now. And we'll come back to it when it's nearly done. You can hear the noise of it now, it's spinning up. We've got a couple of minutes to go, so I shall come back to it when it's finished. Right, it's now complete. That's very hot, don't put your hand on that. Right, I shall first switch it off. Let's take this out. We've got a bowl. Let's have a look. Unplug it. Definitely smooth. There we go. Self-stone. I should try it. Very hot. Nice. Does a good job. No bits in there. Perfect. That's it.